is now finished. I will attempt to pick this up so you can see it. Good job these things are light. So it is very long, goes all the way down to there. So on me it touches the floor. Hi guys, so I'm just going to show you this bag, which is great for the pens, the brush pens that I also got. So if you haven't seen the video for these, do check them out. But they have really nice pens, but they come in a plastic container, which I don't really like, so this bag is going to be perfect for them. I got 96 of the pens, and this has 108 slots, so it's going to fit great. So it fits 8 to 12mm markers. It's got a carry handle, adjustable shoulder strap and zipper pocket, so it's really nice. So if we take this out and we can have a look. See, so it is the Arteza brand, so it's designed to work with their products. So this is the shoulder strap. It's currently down, so there we go. I will extend that at some point, but they clip on there, so it's removable if you need to. And then we've got your things here. So we can undo them. So, and it is velcroed down rather strongly, so that's a really good seal. So here we've got some slots for some of your pens or other equipment, so that's really good. So you've got a couple of slots on there, no space is wasted. And then these ones, if I go that way you can see, so we've got more slots in here. This has Velcro sides which go with this here, so that they Velcro up along the side there, creating an actual bag, as you can see. So that's quite cool, but then we've got all these different slots. See, there's quite a lot of space in these. So the normal elastic holding that you'd have, but this is the sort of thing you're going for. But there's plenty of space in these for your pens. Let's have a look, see how well they go in, shall we? So this has not been used, so the elastics, oh, that's slid in quite nicely, and that fits in quite nicely. Yeah, that folds over easy enough. It sits there, that's where the fold is there, and it sits up the top, so that's really good. There's no wasted space on this. Clearly it's a perfect size fit, which I quite like, to be honest. I don't like anything extra bulky, so these are going to fit lovely in here. So if we just fold this up properly a minute on that side, and do the same on this side. So that comes together quite easily, and as you can see, it's made a nice little case to store the pens in. They sit both sides and they're just on there, so that's really lovely. And as I said, that folds over and clips in nicely, so it's really nice and secure. Now on the back here there is a zip, so that gives you a nice little space to store some small little note paper or something, or anything else you might need. It's not a huge space, it's definitely for flatter things, but I think that's going to be lovely for some little note paper if you were going out and about and wanted to do some little drawings, some little watercolour pieces of paper or something. I think that'd be lovely. But I really like that it's this nice square case. Obviously it's not perfectly shaped at the moment because I've only just opened it, but I think it's going to be great. So I'm going to get all the pens in here and see how it looks after I've done that, so I'll check back once I've done that. Okay guys, so I've got all my pens set up in this now, so it's quite sturdy. It actually adds up in weight, to be honest. I'm glad it comes with a shoulder strap because that's quite a lot to lift. But while setting it up, I discovered, if I can undo these again, something that I'd missed when we were first looking. So I'll just undo all the sides. This middle section here, so this whole section here actually lifts out. So you could leave all them at home and just take the few that you want with you instead. And that would actually leave room, do the Velcro up on it so it stays still would be useful. See, that would leave room for a pad or something in there as well. So you could just take the minimum amount you want. So I think that's really handy. Now I've put all of the 96 pens in here, so as you can see there's still some space left to put a few more in, so that's really good. But if I just pop this back in, and I get it back in without knocking any of the pens out of the line. There we go, slots back in nicely. Obviously there's no pens there, but that will sit straight once you've got the other pens in. But I think it's really good. I've put the water pen here and there's still slots. You could probably hold it in just one slot because it's short there, but as it's quite long, I figured just put it in both and hold it really still. And that sits over just fine. The Velcros meet just fine. There's no squishing or anything. It just fits really nicely in. So I'm really impressed with this. So I'm going to store these in here, so I will be taking the pens in and out of it quite a lot. So we can see how well the claps and the Velcro and everything else, the clips and the Velcro and everything else holds up, and see. I really didn't do that very straight today. Should we try that again? There we go. You can see they can be tightened down. I just haven't. There is things there, so you could do that so it is down tight. But yeah, I really like this and I hope you do too. I'm sorry if this is wobbling the camera when I move it around. I'm really quite impressed with it. I think it holds things really well, especially if you do it up properly. So let me know what you think. And again, this can be bought from my friend on his eBay page, so I will link it down below. Right, so I'll see you all soon. Take care. Bye.